Slide.
That has a big star with Polly Pockets in it?
Yeah. Cool. Natalie, turn around and smile so we can see your big Santa hat. Aww, aren't you the perfect Santa child? Okay. What else are you going to do? Madeline wants to know, Madeline, what did you ask Mommy about the red wagon? You said, what's this doing here? Tell Daddy that.
What's this doing here?
I guess Santa uses it to put your presents in for you. And then he maybe left it here.
I guess you guys wanted it for us to run the wagon.
You wanted a red wagon?
Yeah, me and Cassie
Well,
did.
now you got one.
Now you did. I think he said it's for both of you. You both use it and have a lot of fun. It says, to Maddie and Cassie, thank you for the milk and chocolate balls. Love, Santa. There it is. It's gone.
He's even hungry. I guess after you brought all these presents in here, he got hungry.
So he ate. Cassie, I guess I have to get this one off for you.
Uh-huh. Cassie's just enjoying her bows. Now, every time I try to find you, you turn your back to me.
The white dog. The white dog.
Show the camera. Oh, isn't that cool? Did you want a Snow White doll?
What?
Did you want a Snow White doll?
Yeah.
Of course. How's Cassie doing? Cassie!
I didn't know you were wanting it for me.
You didn't know he was getting one for you? Okay.
Hi, Cassie. Another boy could have broken one.
The Magic Doodle board.
Magic doodle.
Is that what you wanted? A Magic Doodle board? That's what it is. And it gives you a little stencil.
Let me see it.
You want to open one, Cassie? No, let's have Cassie open something here. Bring it over here.
I have a new one because that other one when I had the old one, it was broke.
Mm-hmm. Honey, you turn around so David can see you. That's your sister's Magic Doodle board. You can use it when you get older.
Yeah, I'm gonna share with you.
Oh, that's
I'm
wonderful.
gonna share all my toys with you. Mommy, they're not on the other side.
No, right here, just flip it. They're flipping the paper. Yeah, look at her hand.
I wrote some off for her so she could do it.
There you go.
Hey, Cassie. Sweeties.
Now remember, we can't step on this one. That's how the other one broke. Hi. That's an M for Madeline. Show Daddy what you just drew. M for Madeline.
Very good.
All right, let's see what else Santa got you. Here's a few more.
Look at you, cat.
Wow, a peekaboo zoo.
Ooh, it's kind of cool. Hey, where did the other one go?
Oh, we'll find it. I'm sure it's here. We'll find it. A peekaboo zoo. I think it's like a little kid died.
Where's the other one?
There it is. Alright. Peekaboo zoo needs batteries and let's wait later to get them down. I see 3 more presents for Madeline. Let's see what they are.
What about all of these planted trees?
Those are for Grandma's house.
On the tree?
Yeah.
Oh,
house and Grandma Cuckoo Clock's house.